This is my pan-fried trout with crushed potatoes, the ultimate midweek meal, and this is also how you can feed your family for under £12 with M&S food. I've sliced some potatoes, time to just get them boiling away in some salted water. Okay, so time to prep the veggies. We're just going to fry that garlic off for 30 seconds. And then in we go with our red onions, pinch of salt and pepper, and we just cook that down for a few minutes until the onion is lovely and soft. Okay, let's talk about tomatoes. These are San Marzano tomatoes. They smell incredible, they contain vitamin C, and this dish counts towards 1 of your 5 a day. Just pick them off the vine and roughly chop them up. That'll be for that woman that said I was saucy on the last lot of comments. Dish looks good, but he's even more saucy. Now it's time just to add our tomatoes into the red onion and garlic. So tomatoes, well, hey, are all over the place. Time to check on the potatoes. Simply pop in a knife, and if it's crushable and nice and soft and tender, they are ready to go. And you just want to lightly crush the potatoes, and all you need to do is just give them a really good toss around. And the potatoes are now going to start soaking up all of the tomato juices, the onion, the garlic, the olive oil, and in with the zest of a lemon and a little squeeze of its juice, and a good pinch of chopped parsley. So that's our potatoes done. This is not just any trout, this is M&S responsibly sourced Scottish trout. I've seasoned up, now we're just going to fry it up skin side down. And when you're using trout of this quality, you really don't need to do much to it. Just a little bit of seasoning will really allow those flavours to sing. You know what, this is just so simple and so delicious, and this is how you feed your family for under £12 with M&S food. Pan-fried, Scottish, responsibly sourced trout with crushed potatoes. Oh, that is absolutely delicious.